Hey guys, this is orailnoor and today we're gonna look at installation of PixysOS on my Redmi 7. First of all, boot your phone in custom recovery by pressing volume up plus power key. And when you see Redmi screen, just leave your power and volume buttons. Here you can see I have installed TWRP and your phone will boot whatever you are using. So to install this ROM, you need to wipe your partitions. Here I am wiping Delvic cache system vendor data. Wipe these 4 partitions and leave internal storage. And make sure you have backed your all personal data, cause if you got any trouble, then it is difficult to retrieve your data from this device. Now navigate to your directory where you saved your ROM. Now click on ROM zip from here. After that we have installed Gap on it. Now my ROM is installing. It can take some time to install because it is around 800 MBs in size. Here my ROM and vendor is installed. Now it is time to install Gapps on it. Here I am using NIC Gapps, ARM64, Android 11, but you can use bit Gapps or open Gapps. Ignore these warnings, just reboot your phone into your main system. On first installation, it can take some time to boot up. Or if you face boot loop issue, just format your data from recovery and boot again and it will definitely boot. Now this is first look of our ROM, and our ROM comes with very minimum application, just basic application. Let me show you Android version of my ROM. Here you can see our ROM is rocking with Android 11, which is latest for now. Let me show you history of this ROM. This is very cool Easter egg. Sorry. This is Android 11 and Logcat is not work for me because I'm from India. Logcat work on US regions or other regions, and they are using their own kernel on this ROM, but this kernel is performing very well.